Hello and welcome to this video. And in today's lesson, we are going to learn about how to multiply fractions. Now, fractions is not difficult to multiply. The only thing you have to do is to multiply the numerators together, and then you multiply the denominators together, and then simplify if need be. So, over here we have 1 all over 2 times 1 all over 2. You simply multiply this together and then this together, you get your answer. 1 all over 4. In a way, it can also be written like this: 1 all over 1 all over 2 times 2, which will give you 1 times 1 is 1, all over 2 times 2 is 4. That's fraction for you. Now, this is already in a simplest version, so you cannot simplify this. That's our final answer. Over here, we have 3 over 5 times 4 over 7. What you need to do is, so you have 3 times 4 all over 5 times 7. 3 times 4 is 12 all over 5 times 7 is what? 35. You can also simplify this. This is in the simplest form. So you leave your answer like this and then you continue. Over here you have 4 times 5 over 3. Now bear in mind that this 4 is still the same thing as 4 over 1 times your 5 all over 3, which is equal to 4 times 5, which is 20, all over 3 times 1, which is 3. That's your final answer. So you can keep on multiplying both the numerators and then multiplying the denominators together and then simplifying. You will still get your answer. But when you have big numbers like this, it becomes harder to simplify. Let me explain to you. When you multiply 24 times 45, you see that's a big number. That will be 1080 all over. When you multiply 27 times 84, that becomes 864. If you want to simplify now, you have to go through great lengths to simplify. But you can simply simplify this before multiplying the numerators and denominator. It means since we know that this is 24 here, we can expand first. So that is 8 times 3, that's 24, right? All over, the denominator is 27. So 9 times 3 is 27. Times, we have 45 here. How can you break up 45? So yeah, 9 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45 all over 32 over here. What can you multiply together with that will give you 32? So that's 8 times 4. Now you know that 3 here will cancel 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now 8 will cancel 8. 8 divided by 8 is also 1. 9 will cancel 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So we are left with 5 all over 4. So you don't need to simplify in this case because this has already been simplified for you. This is straightforward. You don't need to simplify further. So this will end up being 5 all over 4 as your answer. Alright, so we can still do the same with question 5. Let's go ahead and do that. So with question 5, you have 2 over 3 times 9 over 4. Expanding would be 2 all over 3 times 3 is 9. So I'm just going to put 3. I'm going to do 3 times 3 all over 2 times 2 is 4. So this is going to be 2 times 2. Now 2 here will cancel 2. 2 divided by 2, that's 1. 3 here will cancel 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So you are left with 2 over 3, which is the same thing as this is your answer. Then mind you, if you had multiplied it together, okay, let's do it so that you will see that we are going to arrive at the same answer. 9 times 2 is what? 18. 3 times 4, that's what? 12. Now we need to simplify this. So we can simplify both the numerator and the denominator by 6. So it's just this by 6, this by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3 all over 12 divided by 6, which is 2. So whichever method you use, you are going to arrive at the same answer. The only difference is the way you are going through. Alright, so let's go through the last question. That will be all. This last question is 12 all over 21 times 28 all over 8. Now we can simplify or break down, expand 12 so that it will be 4 times 3 all over what of 21? That will be 7 times 3 times. Now for this 28, what times what will give you 28? 7 times 4 is 28. So you have 7 times 4 all over 4 times 2 give you 8. 4 times 2. So this is just expanded form of this. Now 4 here will cancel 4 here. Or let's not even touch that first. This 4 here, okay. 4 here can also cancel this one here. 7 here will cancel 7. What are we left with? 3 will cancel 3. What's left? We are left with 4 over 2. You can also simplify 4 over 2. Your answer would be 2. And that's how to do multiplication of fraction. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, share, and subscribe.